How to force restart your iPhone. A forced restart is helpful when your phone is unresponsive or frozen and it won't delete any data. So while doing forced restart, you have to follow these steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then the next step is quickly press and release the volume down button. Then at last, keep pressing the side button until you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the side button even after the screen goes black. Once the Apple logo appears, release the button and your iPhone will restart. This method forces your iPhone to restart without affecting any of your data or settings. In this very easy step, you can easily do forced restart on your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.